How to make bar and column charts in Power BI. We're going to go through a standard bar chart, column chart, grouped column, and stacked bar charts. Let's go over to Power BI and take a look. Let's start with a standard bar chart and standard column chart. Click on the stacked bar chart option, go under your fields, and pick a measure. We're going to use sales in this case. Make sure sales goes onto the x-axis and drag a dimension like region onto the y-axis. That's going to give you a horizontal bar chart. We can build the exact same thing as a column chart by clicking on the column option, dragging in sales, make sure sales is on the y-axis, and putting region onto the x-axis. That gives us a column chart. A stacked bar chart is very similar to a standard bar chart. We're going to click on stacked bar chart, bring sales onto the x-axis, region onto the y-axis, and we're going to bring a second dimension like category onto the legend. That gives us a stacked bar chart. Of course, we can do the same thing with a column chart. Put sales onto the y-axis, region onto the x-axis, and category onto the legend. You can switch this to a 100% stacked chart. You can switch this to a 100% stacked column chart by clicking on 100% stacked column chart. And of course, you can do the same thing with a 100% stacked bar chart. In order to build a grouped bar chart or a clustered bar chart, click on the clustered bar or clustered column. We'll choose bar in this case. We're going to drag sales onto the x-axis, region onto the y-axis, and category onto the y-axis as well. You can also drag region to legend to color by region. In order to turn this into a grouped bar chart, click this drill down, go to the next level in the hierarchy to get to region and category combo. And that's how you build bar and column charts in Power BI.